Lamination. Blow off any dust or debris off the board using compressed air. Prep the future boxes using 3/8 of an inch tape. Use a razor blade to cut each end. Press firmly down on the tape with your finger or a razor blade, ensuring a tight seal. Pull out fiberglass cloth and cut accordingly. Roll up tail section of the fiberglass, exposing the future boxes. Cut out football-shaped patches to place over top of the future boxes. Wet out the patches completely, ensuring that there's no visible air or dry spots in the cloth. Place appropriate lams and laminate the board as you normally would. After completely laminating the board, some manufacturers choose to use a razor blade to cut the fiberglass off the top of the box. This step is completely optional, but helps push out any excess air. Push out any air with a razor blade or squeegee. Your board is now ready for the hot coat step.